In this video, I'm going to go over the Builderall Business Dashboard. So when you first come to the Builderall dashboard, you're going to be seeing this Builderall Business, and it tells you all of your stats. It shows who the top affiliates are of the day, of the month, and all time. So to get to this screen, you need to come to Builderall Business here. It says Builderall Ambassador for me because I'm an ambassador, which is a closed program which you cannot join anymore. So yours will say Builderall Business. And then you click Dashboard to be taken to the main dashboard. And this will show you all of your stats, all of your links, and everything to do with the Builderall Business Plan. So as you can see, you've got all of your commissions that you've earned up to this point. You've got your personal points. You've got your car bonus points. You've got your mansion qualifications, and then you've got your uni-level bonuses as well. So that basically means how much you've earned on different levels. So this is pretty straightforward. You can see all of your stats here, and then on the next level down you're going to have the event calendar, and that will show you all of the events and all of the things that are going on with Builderall Business, with Builderall in general, the boot camps, the live events, and everything else within the Builderall world. So you can see that tomorrow we've got 16 Days of Power with Brad McMyer at 5 PM Eastern Time. Then on Sunday we've got another 16 Days of Power. Then on Monday we've got the business meetings, the affiliate meetings, and the agency training. So everything that's happening in the Builderall world will be in this calendar here. And the next tab is my favorite tab. It's the tab where you get paid. So this is where you request all of your commissions. So this is the tab where you request your money. You can request your Brazilian reals, your euros, and your US dollars. And they're also added Great British Pounds and a few other ones in there as well. And they're adding Bitcoin in there as well, so you can actually get paid in Bitcoin. So that's really, really cool. And of course you have to fill in a tax form before you can get paid, and also add a PayPal or another form of payment which is being added very soon. You can add in there too. So the next tab is the tree. So this is where you get to see all of the people who've signed up under other people. So you can see a big tree of people and all of their sign-ups and all of their sign-ups and all of their sign-ups as well in a big tree. So the next tab is the leads tab, and this shows you how many leads you've got, your active, inactive and test leads. And the next tab is the funnels tab, and this shows you what funnels there is to promote provided by Builderall right now. So you can see there's the Builderall homepage, there's the 7 days page, there's the canvas page, and then there's some other register pages as well. The next tab we have is the team tab, and the team tab allows you to create teams with people to split commissions. So if you don't have someone on your team that you want to work with, then you can set up a team here and split the commissions with the people that you want to work with. So that's really cool. And then under that we have the message center. So this is where you can send and receive messages from your team members and to your team members. And the next tab is the business community, and this is a heart of gold which Builderall has. The amount of people who have put forward free content and free courses into this business community is absolutely amazing. It's astounding how many people are willing to help and put things forward to help out other Builderall members. So one of the best things about Builderall is the community, because they're so giving and they really want to see you succeed. So there's hundreds of different courses in a bunch of different languages here, so you can go through them, learn loads of stuff, and you can also submit your own courses to be included in there as well. Next we have the pixel, and this is where you will add any pixels that you want to be added to any of the funnels that you saw in the previous page. So you can see here I've got my Google Tag Manager, so I can have all of my pixels and everything in one place, because Google Tag Manager allows you to add multiple pixels, multiple tracking and stuff inside there. So instead of having my Facebook pixel and any other tracking pixels all in here, I've got it all in Google Tag Manager. And you can have any kind of code in here as well. So if you want to add your own chat to the pages. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, you can have a little chat box like this appear in the bottom of all of your affiliate pages that appear in here in the funnels area. So you can add any kind of code to it that you like. So you can track and do everything in this area here, which is really cool. Not many affiliate programs will allow you to put scripts and tags and stuff inside their own pages. So this is a really, really cool feature. And then of course next we have the tax forms, which I explained a little bit earlier. You need to fill them out before you can get paid anything. And then we have the certified partners directory, and this is really cool. It has all of the certified partners and their contact details, how you can get in touch with them and how you can hire them. And next we have the branding kit, which is all of the resources, emails, images, videos and stuff that you can use on your own pages. So if we click on this, it's going to open a new page, and you can see all of the branding, all of the company approved colors, text and everything else that you can use on your pages. So you've got loads of stuff you can use here, which is really, really awesome. Corporate videos as well, and all sorts of other stuff. So make sure you read the legal disclaimers as well to make sure that you're not claiming anything as your own, and applying copyright where necessary to the original copyright owners, and so on and so forth. And last but not least is the code of ethics. So here you can see what is allowed and what isn't allowed within the Builderall affiliate program. So this tells you the rules, codes of conduct and everything else. So make sure you follow these rules. Don't go against any of these rules, because you risk getting your affiliate account shut down and your commissions withheld if you break any of these terms. So make sure you have a good look and a good read through this code of ethics. And apart from that, it's just as simple as grabbing your link, grabbing your funnel link and promoting. Go out there and promote. So there you have it, a brief overview of the Builderall Business Dashboard and everything that is included in it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.